This is breaking news.
Angelina Jolie demands ex-bodyguard's testimony not be used as evidence in $350 million war with ex-Brad Pitt. Angelina Jolie demanded the bombshell declaration filed by her former security guard not be entered into evidence in her bitter court battle with ex-husband Brad Pitt. According to court documents obtained by RadaronLine.com, the actress moved to strike the declaration of she and Brad's former security guard Tony Webb submitted in the couple's never-ending court battle over a French estate Chateau Miraval. In the declaration, Tony, who previously served in the UK's Royal Marines and British Army's Special Air Service, said between 2000 and 2020, I provided varying degrees of personal security for Angelina Jolie and her family, and I currently provide services for Brad Pitt. He explained his job duties included running security for Jolie and the family whenever they left the United States. Webb said he was responsible for getting hotel staff to sign NDAs for the actress. Tony and his company continued to provide security services to Jolie after she split from Pitt. His relationship with Angelina ended after her personal assistant asked for Tony's help to stop two of his independent contractors who worked for his company from testifying in Brad and Angelina's custody battle. Tony said he believed Angelina made her assistant ask him. He alleged the assistant warned Tony that the contractors were under an NDA and that Angelina would sue if they violated the agreement. Tony claimed one of the contractors told him he would testify regardless of an NDA. He claimed the contractor said he would testify that he heard Jolie encouraging her children to avoid spending time with Brad during custody visits. The declaration was filed by Brad as he fights Angelina over NDAs in their court war. The actor demanded she turn over all past NDAs she had third parties sign after she accused him of attempting to have her sign an NDA that would prevent her from talking about his alleged personal misconduct. Now, in a newly filed response, Angelina asked the court to strike the declaration from the record. She said, Pitt clearly is trying to gain an unfair advantage by offering this contested evidence for the first time on reply when Jolie has no opportunity to respond. Her lawyer added, the Webb declaration has no relevance to this case or to the issue presented by Pitt's motion. In fact, the Webb declaration, which does not mention the word Miraval a single time, serves to demonstrate exactly why other NDAs involving other parties and other circumstances are irrelevant and will, as Jolie predicted in her opposition brief, cause a mini-trial on each and every NDA Pitt claims is relevant to this case. Pitt is now claiming that conversations with two contractors, security guards, about testimony in a different case are somehow relevant here. Jolie contests the testimony's relevance, its credibility, Webb works for Pitt, and its accuracy, the lawyer added. Angelina accused Brad of filing the declaration to create a press event and again put external pressure on Jolie. The legal drama started when Pitt sued Jolie in 2022. He accused her of breaking a deal to not sell her stake in a $164 million estate. The couple purchased the property during their marriage with a plan to pass it down to their children. Pitt said he spent a ton of time and money into building it into a successful winery. In 2021, Angelina emailed Brad telling him she wanted to sell her stake. Pitt and his business partners proposed a $50 million plus deal to Angelina. However, the talks fell apart after a development in Angelina and Brad's custody battle. The actress sold her interest to a third party named Stoli, run by a Russian oligarch named Yuri Shelfer. Brad demanded the court find Angelina needed approval to sell. He accused the oligarch and his team of attempting a hostile takeover of Chateau. In response, the company Jolie sold to Stoli, Nouvelle, filed a $350 million countersuit against Brad, which accused him of misusing company assets. He denied the accusations.